Okay, so today I'm going to show you both my dogs, in case you haven't seen them. If you haven't seen my other video. And their names are Evie and Hopper. The one that's orange is Hopper. The one that's black is Evie. And if you just found this on your recommended, then my name's Devin Burden, and it's a picture of a baby. And my friend, his name's Camden Farmer, is a picture of a person with a blue white shirt, blue hoodie, and yeah. Go subscribe to him. Watch some of his videos. Just go check it out. He opens Pokemon and you can go watch me open Pokemon. He opens Pokemon cards like I do too. And I think my dogs are outside. So I'm going to bring you outside. Pretty sure they are. Listen. Here, let's go outside. Better view. Hopper! The orange. They're about to kill each other. The orange one's Hopper, the black one's Evie. And yeah. There's Hopper. There's Evie. Hope you like this video. Sorry it was short. I'll just go and introduce my dogs to the channel. And that's what I was gonna do. And and once I turn comments on, I want you to guess what WWE I'm doing. So I'm going to set it up, and I want you to try to guess on comments what this WWE move is. It's going to be easy. Try to guess it only if you like WWE or someone's talking. Is this? In case you didn't see. Here's another one I want you to guess. And this one's actually going to be very easy. Here, you didn't see that good. You didn't see which one I did. This 3 splashes. No, I don't even know which one. And there we go. And I'm going to give you a hint on each one. So, the first one starts with an R. Second one starts with a P. Third one starts with a U. This is the video. This is the end of the video. Go check out my account and my friends. My name's Devin Burden. Picture of a baby. And my friend's name is Camden Farmer. And a picture of a guy in a white shirt, blue hoodie. I hope you know what I'm talking about. This is the video. Hope you like it. Bye.